Thousands of years ago, Native Americans arrived in North America after migrating from Asia. They likely crossed the Bering Land Bridge, a strip of land that had connected Asia to Alaska during the last ice age. By the time the glaciers had begun to melt, they had already settled in different areas across the continent. They traveled on foot, and some had been following herds of animals for food as they moved southward. As they spread across North America, different tribes started developing unique cultures, languages, and ways of life. Some groups were living in forests, while others had chosen to live in deserts or along rivers. Over generations, they built strong connections to their lands and the natural resources around them. They had been adapting to their environments, learning to grow crops, hunt animals, and use local materials to build shelters. By the time Europeans arrived, Native Americans had developed complex societies with advanced knowledge in areas like agriculture, medicine, and astronomy. Each tribe had its traditions, and they had been passing down knowledge and stories from one generation to the next. Some tribes created large cities, while others lived in smaller nomadic communities. The arrival of Europeans in the 15th century changed everything. The newcomers brought new goods and animals, but they also introduced diseases that Native Americans had never encountered before. Many Native American populations were reduced dramatically because they had not built immunity to these illnesses. Through all these challenges, Native Americans continued to preserve aspects of their culture and adapt to the changes happening around them.